Meta mulling incorporation shift to Texas. Report: Meta is considering whether to move its incorporation to Texas, a U.S. state seen as amenable to companies run by big shareholders like Mark Zuckerberg, The Wall Street Journal reported Friday.
Meta Platforms stock analysis. Buy, hold, or sell. Meta Platforms, Meta 0.32%, reported quarterly financial results demonstrating continued growth in all the key segments.
Meta's 2025 is off to a frenzied start. Don't expect it to slow down. Meta kicked off 2025 with big changes following a big year for the company. In the first weeks of January, it overhauled its content moderation system, nixed DEI programs, and announced layoffs.
Apple stock analysis. Buy or sell. Apple, AAPL minus 0.67%, reported quarterly financial results that pleased stock market investors.
India budget. India axes import tax on some smartphone parts in boost to Apple. Xiaomi. India has removed import duties on some components key to producing mobile phones, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced in the annual budget on Saturday, in a boost for local production efforts and benefiting firms such as Apple and Xiaomi.
Report. Apple shelves Mac-connected AR glasses. Project Apple has reportedly shut down plans to develop augmented reality glasses connected to its computers. The project, canceled this week, would have created a product that resembled normal glasses, but which included built-in displays and required a connection to a Mac, Bloomberg reported Friday, January 31st, citing sources familiar with the matter.
Singapore says U.S. firms should comply with export controls following DeepSeek chip questions. Questions have been raised over the provenance of the semiconductors used to build DeepSeek's AI model, given U.S. export restrictions. U.S. officials are investigating whether DeepSeek bought advanced Nvidia chips via third parties in Singapore, according to reports.
What does Chinese AI startup DeepSeek mean for Nvidia stock? DeepSeek, a Chinese artificial intelligence (AI) startup, is sending shockwaves through the U.S. tech sector by demonstrating its latest AI assistant, which achieves performance comparable to or even surpassing some of the world's best chatbots.
Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang meets with Donald Trump on AI. Nvidia confirmed that its CEO Jensen Huang met with U.S. President Donald Trump to discuss U.S. technology and AI leadership.
Should you buy Microsoft stock on the dip? Microsoft, MSFT 0.02%, reported quarterly financial results that caused the stock price to be lower.
Microsoft. Earnings beat overshadowed by AI spending and valuation concerns. Microsoft shares dropped 4% post-Q2 2025 results, despite beating estimates. Q2 FY 2025 saw 12% revenue and 10% EPS growth YoY, driven by strong cloud and AI performance, with AI revenue up 175% YoY. Concerns arise over Microsoft's aggressive $80 billion CapEx plan for 2025, questioning its effectiveness in building a sustainable competitive advantage in AI.
Mag 7 earnings and DeepSeek. What should investors know? DeepSeek appears to have put a big dent in what everyone believed was a source of competitive advantage in the AI race for tech leaders like Microsoft MSFT, Alphabet GOOGL, Amazon AMZN, and others. And if we go by how Microsoft and Meta described the evolving AI competitive landscape on their respective Q4 earnings calls last week, we will most likely hear comparable commentary from Amazon and Alphabet as they come out with their December QA.
WRAPUP. Big Oil bleak on refining profits going into 2025. Big Oil executives this week saw little prospect of a near-term improvement in refinery profits after Chevron, ExxonMobil, and Shell all reported fourth-quarter earnings that were hit hard by a downturn in the margins for producing fuel.
Chevron Corporation, CVX, Q4 2024 earnings conference. Call transcript. Chevron Corporation, NYSE CVX, Q4 2024 earnings conference. Call January 31st, 2025, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Company participants: Jake Spearing, Head, IR Mike Worth, Chairman and CEO Imir Bonner. CFO conference call participants: Biraj Borkataria, RBC Paul Cheng, Scotiabank Neil Mehta, Goldman Sachs Doug Legate, Wolfe Research Devin McDermott, Morgan Stanley Stephen Richardson, Evercore ISI Jason Gableman, TD.
Why Chevron stock dropped 5% today? Chevron Corporation, CVX minus 3.67%. Stock fell 4.5% through 10:35 a.m. Eastern Time Friday after the company reported a revenue beat but an earnings miss in its morning Q4 report.